4 minutes to freedom. Yo, what we say? Guys, I know. Listeners, subscribers. Make sure so you turn up the subscribe, Smash the bell. Round here, turn up. Our national guard them have out. SWAT, everybody, right now. People, at the moment, this everybody are wait for. Make sure so you share the content. Gaza boss, road time. Yeah. Yes. So the final countdown just went off, and right now, people, we are wait. A freedom we are saying a street. People right free. Free cartel we are saying today, Straight. Gaza nation. Gaza nation. Wagwan. We're waiting on the results right now. What's going on? People, we are wait. Fear. What the news are coming out of the courthouse right now? Everybody has scream Gaza today. The whole internet has a cartel. Free. Everybody has a cartel. Free. That's the energy there. Free, 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 free. See all the National Guard have forward. Them I say the place ram. Say everybody I go forward a road, brother. You see it? On a normal thing this. Road where I say road. You see me? Worldwide. Every state show. Worldwide. Every country. Every island. World boss. Yo, I want to go on where news I say. What them I say? Why people message by the thing I get crazy. Like it all forget out of hand right now. You see it? Temperatures are boil over right now. The people them out for wild out right now, brother. You see it? But that's I say still hold it, Cause you see them bring out the National Guards and thing. So we don't know if them know something where them not sure with the eye them yet. But we have to watch what go on right now and just tell the people them hold the faith and nobody start bug out. Cause in a case like this, you know want make the situation look away. And say it's still enough for them ball court, you know that go. So you have to just hold the faith, pray, strong prayers right now. And like we say, free. Take off the dumb and fight. Just say free. Yeah, that's the thing for them right now. And we are born bad vibes, you see me? So anybody with them little bad vibes can go on. We don't want no bad vibes right now, no bad energy. Yeah. And that's how we think there right now. If you don't have no upliftment to deal with, and you don't want to see nobody strive in a life, you might want to find a next platform. So we say free right now for cartel. Free. So people, they must say the courthouse ram up with people right now in the fuck like a dancehall. Now people are ask question, how come the courthouse just ram up with people so? I must them let them in. People can't just walk in a court like that. Right? And what the caliber artist with cartel is, you know say people are go forward to see the result of what go on cause everybody want to see cartel on the road right now. You understand? Yeah man. So people, we there wait. Trust me. Your people remember good no man. Talk no man. Remember say what your gully god. I say yo, free for your boss, And you say when the boss touch foot on the road in my G and a normal settings, no know a thing going on. Worldwide. Worldwide. You see, the most demanded artist right now, worldwide. Vybz Kartel, man. Yeah, you see it. So right now, man, once cartel forward, brother, dancehall supposed to nice again. And I'm not supposed to. Dancehall up, turn up. You see me, I just see fans them now. If you just play them part and show the support, you know? Yeah, man. Cause me I tell you, say right now, people, it's looking very, very bright right now. So make we see what them I deal with. Cause the fans them out in a full strong supporting force. You understand? And everybody saying right now, road, pavement right here now. Touchy road, my G. You see me? So people make sure so you smash the like, subscribe, share, drop on the comments. You see me? And big up on yourself. Stay safe as well. And make we get into the content. You see right now still, they are wait for here. Where them a forward with from the courthouse. I don't want to hear no source from the vlog. I want to hear from a credible news source. You understand? We need to hear what go on right now. That we are pre right now. See me? And anybody who drop that news there, it have to be very credible. You understand? Trust me. I don't think them want that backlash there. So it have to be credible enough. Cause this right now, the world are looking upon this. You see me? This is a moment in a history book, you know, where you will never forget that moment. You see it? So it's very, very necessary for you to tune in. You understand? Because at this current moment and state where we're there right now with this situation here, it can only go for a retrial or walk. And we don't see which part in a retrial for go right now. So, make we see what I go on right here now. Walk we are talk about. Clarks, Jordans, Nike. Yeah, man. All of the name brand them. Walk out right now. Step where I step here now, my G. Yeah, man. Drop it in the comment section, man. You really, really want to see the star walk. You see me? Drop it, man. Say walk free. Walk free, my G. Yo, I want go on. Now them I say we have to wait for 2 more weeks. And I say him is not legally detained. So these are the reasons why so much guarded out there and think in case yo, I want go on, brother. People, drop it in the comment section. What's taking place here right now? No freedom supposed to free the boss. No, brother. Something right, yes, sir. So, them reject. Yo. This I get serious, people. Gaza Nation, drop it in the comment section. What's really going on? And why them have so much guard outside? What go on? Where them not share with the fans them? Something right. Something done right, people.